Here you go. Coffee's still hot. Want a refill or are you good for now?
This is perfect, thanks. You remembered how I like it.
I try to. You come in often enough that it's hard not to notice.
Yeah, this place has become kind of a habit for me.
Habits aren't bad, especially the quiet ones.
Quiet is exactly what I needed tonight.
Long day?
Very. Meetings, emails, more meetings.
That sounds exhausting.
It is. What about you? Busy shift?
Earlier, yes. Right now it's calmer. Nights slow down after 9.
I like that about this place. It never feels rushed.
That's intentional. People already have enough pressure outside.
You seem good at making people comfortable.
I like talking. Listening, too. It makes the hours go faster.
Do you enjoy working nights?
Most of the time. You get more conversations and fewer complaints.
That makes sense. Mornings probably bring more stress.
Oh, definitely. Coffee before patience kicks in.
I've been there.
What do you usually do after work?
Honestly, I come here, sit, think, then go home.
That doesn't sound so bad.
It helps me reset.
Do you always order the same thing?
Almost always. It's easier when I don't have to decide.
I get that. Decisions can be tiring.
Exactly. Sometimes it's nice when something is simple.
Like coffee and fries?
Exactly like that.
You picked a good night to come in. It's one of the quiet ones.
I'm glad I did. It feels easier to breathe in here.
That's good to hear. That's kind of the goal.
How long have you worked here?
A few years now. Long enough to recognize regulars.
So I'm officially a regular?
I'd say so.
I don't mind that.
Neither do I.
Do you ever get tired of talking to strangers?
Not really. Everyone brings something different to the table.
Even quiet people like me?
Especially quiet people. They usually have the most to say.
That's funny. I don't talk much at work.
You seem comfortable talking now.
I am. It's easier here.
I'm glad. Want anything else while I'm here?
No, I'm good. Just thanks for checking in.
Anytime. I'll be nearby if you need something.
I'll probably stay a bit longer.
Take your time. We're not closing yet.
Good. I like ending the day like this.
Me too.